Alright guys, well, coming up now is your favorite vacuum cleaner, guys, the Dirt Devil Under Reach. Give me just 1 minute, I'm going to go and grab it out of the closet here. I'll keep my eyes out, guys, if I find anything good. I'm gonna do some riding today, and maybe I'll catch something today around the curb shed, guys. Who knows? I mean, I'm gonna be looking. This is actually my best curb bind, in fact, guys. This runs pretty good, and I need to stock up on some Style 4 to. Let me see, guys. I don't know, but I think I should have some Style 4 to 5 Style 4 to 5 belts, guys. But I'm gonna stock up on some when I go to Walmart one of these days, guys. I'll have to order a box of them, I guess. Let's see here, guys. Give me just a minute here. Give me just a vacuum here. 1 second to plug it in. 1 minute, guys. Just gotta plug it. There we go. Alright, guys. Here we go. Alright guys, now we're good to go. Had to get the cord just done, so we'll knot it up. And guys, I promise this will not be a long video. This is going to be real short. So I can upload it easier too. Guys, this area where I got dirty, I'll tell you. I decided to vacuum, that's what I did. It's starting to look kind of nasty, guys. Alright guys, thanks for watching.